Hey, this is Sean. I'm on my lunch break. Today's Friday, the 6th, and I just got some packages in. Yay! Okay, first off, I think this is from Amazon that I bought. It's in this package right here, and there's some other package. And okay, I'm gonna open this up real fast. One from Amazon. Hopefully that's my kitty couplers. Yeah, I know, I bought some stuff off of Amazon. Yep. Oops, sorry for the glare. I'm sitting right beside the window. The screen door. Some of the springs are off. I gotta figure out which one's which. But it's number 5s. Kitty couplers. I just bought. You know, just want to give these a try. See if these work. Because I needed a lot of them for my engines. And for my roll cars, there's 20 pairs. Number 5. Standard head, metal, standard shank couplers, medium center set shank. Some of them doesn't have the springs on them. Should be an easy fix. Hopefully. And the next box is from Nick Cook. I ain't gonna say his real last name, but online he goes by Nick Cook. These are the 3 engines that I've been waiting on. Oh yeah, he painted them for me. They're for Sean Harpert's fictional rail line. Sorry for the darkness right there. It's for his fictional rail line, the Chicago, Milwaukee, and Northwestern. And I had these painted for me from Nick. Hopefully these are really good. Let me just open this up. Hopefully I don't cut myself like last time when I made myself bleed. Yeah, I'm holding up. And if you haven't kind of noticed, I'm on my cell phone. It's the only way I can record stuff as of yet. Okay, I'm out. And all 3 of these engines are Athearn blue boxes. Where are they at? Well, I got all this stuff right here. Ah, look right there. Looky. Ooh, hope you can see them. There's 1 box. There's 2 boxes. And 3 boxes. Yes. All 3 of them here. Now, let me put the box down. And I will be starting my layout, my new table, tomorrow. Because it's supposed to be in the 70s. Yes. Means no snow and sunny. You can kind of tell it's sunny outside. Okay, the first box is this engine right here. Hopefully you all can see this. It's 7005 CMNN. Real good engine. It's SD40-2. Nice engine, too. There's that one. This one is, I got this one because the 05 is when my second son was born in 2005. There's that one. Now let's open up this next one. And here's this engine. It's a GP50. It used to be a Chicago and Northwestern engine. That the SD40-2 was a Conrail. It's got nice detail and everything. This one is for my oldest son, CJ. Hopefully y'all can all see this. If not, yeah, right there. It's the GP50, 5103. My oldest son was born in 2003. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh. Then here's this last one. Hopefully it's good. And here's this one right here. It's a SD40-2. Used to be a Burlington Northern engine. And this one's for me because I was born in '82. It's got the Operation Lifesaver. This one's a Operation Lifesaver one. The other two are not. And I don't know if you can tell, that little flag right there this means it's a veteran's engine. Nick did that one for mine because I'm a veteran. I was in the Army for almost 7 years, did 2 tours in Iraq. So far, out of all those engines that he's done close to 10 of them. I got a roster of all the engines that he's painted, and there's those 3 right there. The only one with the flag, the American flag on it, is that 7082, and that's about it. I know if you kind of notice on the 7082, they had horn hooks on them, which I gotta change them. Hey, good thing my new couplers are in. But that's about it, and it'll probably be sometime next week till I post another video. This is just a quick bout of my 3 engines. Alright, have a nice day. See y'all next time.